Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A16, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the notification panel, and somewhere here you will find the screen recorder icon. Just to launch the screen recorder settings, you should hold for a while this icon, and as can you see, we got here all our screen recorder settings. Just to change the sound settings, you can just see these two sections. We can record the system sounds by just tap once on the switcher, and if you wanna, for example, use the microphone sound to comment some actions in your screen recording, you can also here click once on the switcher, click here to OK. You can use the system sounds and the microphone sound together, or for example you can turn off the system sound and use only microphone and for example only the system sound. Or also we can just turn off these all options and our screen recording will just mute it. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.